Good morning, students. Students, earlier we have done our chapter number 1, and that is resources. Just today, let's have a recall only the main points. And the first one is, what are the different types of resources? Okay. And in the chapter we have read, we have discussed that there are three types of resources, that is natural resource, man-made resource, and human resource. So the explanation today, that is natural resources, the resources which are drawn means taken from nature and used without much modification. Much modification का मतलब ज़्यादा बदलाव ना करके बेटे, are known as natural resources. The second is human made resource. When the original form of natural resource, original means जैसे हमें नेचर से मिलते हैं, is changed, जब उनको चेंज कर दिया जाता है by human being, ह्यूमन बीइंग के द्वारा, टू मेक इट मोर यूजफुल, और ज़्यादा यूजफुल के लिए, देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड मैन मेड रिसोर्स और ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्स. एग्जाम्पल फर्नीचर. फर्नीचर में बेटे जैसे हमारे पेड़ भी काम आते हैं, और पेड़ों को ह्यूमन रिसोर्स क्या करता है, चेंज कर देता है और फिर उसको क्या बना देता है, मोर वैल्यूएबल फर्नीचर में. तो क्या बन गया, वो क्या हो गए, ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्स. जैसे ब्रिक्स, अब सॉयल भी हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, लेकिन ह्यूमन रिसोर्स उसको क्या बना देते हैं, ब्रिक्स बना देते हैं, ईंट बना देते हैं, वो और भी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो गई, इसलिए वो ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्स हो गया. एंड नाउ द थर्ड इज ह्यूमन रिसोर्स. द पीपल आर ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज. वो लोग कौन से, जो अपनी एजुकेशन से और अपने हेल्थ से किसी भी रिसोर्स को एक वैल्यूएबल रिसोर्स बना देते हैं, उसको कहते हैं ह्यूमन रिसोर्स. पीपल आर ह्यूमन रिसोर्स एंड education and health, they help to make people as valuable resource. Okay, now these are different types of resources. Now come forward, and there are now another types of resources. One is actual resource and one is potential resource. Now these type of resources are based on their development. ये डेवलपमेंट पे बेस्ड है बेटे. द फर्स्ट इज एक्चुअल रिसोर्स. एक्चुअल रिसोर्सेज आर दोज रिसोर्सेज हुज क्वालिटी इज नोन, जिसकी क्वालिटी और क्वांटिटी हमने जान ली है. एंड रिच डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ कोल, जैसे इन रूरल वैली रीजन्स. वाई इन रूरल रीजन ऑफ जर्मनी, नो, हियर ऑल्सो रिच डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ कोल इन इंडिया ऑल्सो, एंड डार्क सॉइल ऑफ डेक्कन प्लेट्यू इन महाराष्ट्र. Their quantity, their quality we have noted down, and now we are using them with our technology. So they are known as actual resource. Now next is potential resource. Potential resource means those resources whose entire quantity, जिनकी पूरी क्वांटिटी को हम नहीं जानते हैं, एंड विच आर नॉट बींग यूज एज प्रेजेंट, जिनको हम आज यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं, दे आर नोन एज पोटेंशियल रिसोर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यूरेनियम which are found in Ladakh, because we do not know how much quantity of uranium is found in Ladakh, and we do not have the technology to take them out. They may be used, this uranium may be used in future, but now we are not using it, so it is known as potential resource. Now on the basis of origin, they are known as biotic and abiotic. Now abiotic resources are non-living. For example, minerals, okay, water, sunlight, wind, they are abiotic resources. And the resources which have life, they are called biotic resources. For example, plants, animals, and human being only also, they are biotic resources. They are on the basis of origin. Now next, on the basis of utilization. On the basis of utilization, and they are two, ubiquitous and localized. The resources which are found everywhere, they are known as ubiquitous. For example, air we breathe, soil we use, water we use, and they are found everywhere. but the resources which are found in certain places, some places, they are known as localized resources. For example, copper, iron ore, uranium, and other resources, coal, petroleum, they are localized resources. Now, on the basis of their exhaustibility, exhaust means khatam hona, खत्म करना, यूज करना, exhaustibility, they are again of two types, renewable resources and non renewable resources. Okay, now renewable resources are those which get renewed, जो हम एक बार यूज़ कर लेते हैं फिर रिन्यू हो जाते हैं और रिप्लेस्ड और दोबारा बन जाते हैं क्विकली, दे आर नोन एज renewable resources. For example, solar energy, wind energy, water energy, geothermal energy, ये सब बार बार बन जाती हैं. And non renewable resources, the resources which are present in limited stock and which are using, we are using them, but they take millions of years in their formation, they may not be used very soon, they are known as non renewable resources. For example, coal and petroleum. So I think things are clear, and the notes, or just in a brief, this chapter is clear in your mind. And okay, so this is all for today. Thank you.